If you notice the KX News team decked out in red today, it's not because Valentine's Day is approaching. February is American Heart Month, and today shines a light on women's heart health as cardiovascular disease remains the #1 killer of women. In this week's Someone You Should Know, Becky Farr introduces us to two women leading the way to educate others.
You may see red balloons or heart-shaped decor this time of year, but for people like Rebecca Doizaki, it stands for a lot more than some Valentine's Day flair. Doizaki's mom had heart problems for a long time, even undergoing a triple bypass surgery until about 3 months ago.
She had a heart attack and died.
Doizaki's mother was only in her 60s.
It was really an unnecessary death. If you have heart problems, just go get checked.
That's why people like Doizaki and Janet Maxon are working to spread the word about heart disease in women. For Doizaki, she knows firsthand just how important it is to keep up with your health.
Just take care of yourself. Be more cognizant of what's going on and your own personal health. And if you have heart problems, to just talk to your doctor and don't be afraid to ask questions and to get the help you need.
Maxon knows too. Her dad died of heart disease when he was just 51 years old. She's a nurse practitioner at Legacy Health Clinic in Minot. She says over the years, research, prevention, and treatment have come a long way. For example, the age range for heart disease in women used to be around 65 and older, but in recent years, it's become 35 to 55.
Only 1 out of 5 women even think of heart disease as their #1 killer. As a nurse practitioner, I'm involved with women's health for decades, and, they're very concerned about breast health, which is important, but what the major organ that lies under that is the one that keeps us going.
Things people can do, regardless of gender, include annual doctor visits and a conscious effort the other 364 days out of the year.
Because it doesn't take a whole lot of lifestyle changes. I always tell my patients, I say, don't think you have to do everything at once.
Maxon suggests walking even as little as 10 minutes a day, cutting down on unhealthy fats, and managing stress. Long-term stress, she says, can lead to spasms that hurt the heart. So if you see material aimed to educate, give it a read. The importance of heart health is something you should know. Becky Farr, KX News.
Moving forward, Maxon hopes to host events like blood pressure screenings to continue to promote healthy hearts.